Hello children, welcome to Connecting Class to Home e-learning program by DCM Group of Schools. So, Class 4, let me introduce you all with the name of the book, that is IT Vision, and the name of the chapter that we are going to learn is Computer Hardware and Software. Children, at the end of the video, you all are going to learn about input devices, processing devices and output devices. So, first of all, what is computer hardware? Hardware are those parts of a computer which can be touched and seen. As you can see in the picture given below, mouse, monitor, keyboard, all are the different examples of computer hardware. Next, we'll head towards classification of computer hardware. The computer hardware is classified into three parts. First is input devices, second, processing devices, and third, output devices. First, I am going to explain you about input devices, the devices that are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Now, the data can be in the form of words, images, audio, video, and graphics as well. Next are the types of input devices. It includes keyboard, mouse, and light pen. First is keyboard. I believe you are already familiar with this device. It has 104 keys and there are two types of keyboard, QWERTY keyboard and multimedia keyboard. In QWERTY keyboard, letters are not arranged in alphabetical order, and in multimedia keyboard, it comes with a specific media control, for example, play pause button and volume button. So the next is mouse. So this device is used to point, select and move the items on the screen. And like keyboard, this is also of two types. First is mechanical mouse, which has a movable control ball. And the next is optical mouse, which uses LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. And next is light pen. This device is a digital pen used to point, select and draw objects directly on the computer screen, and this is used by engineers, architects and fashion designers as well. Students, we have other types of input devices as well. For example, web camera, digital camera and scanner. So after input devices, there comes processing devices, which processes the input data given to the computer. So as you all know, CPU is the brain of the computer. So all this processing is done by the CPU only. And this CPU is further divided into three parts: memory unit, control unit, and arithmetic and logical unit. Memory unit stores data and instructions which can be recalled anytime you want to. Control unit controls and manages the functioning of all the parts of the computer. And children, this is the main part of the CPU. The next is arithmetic and logical unit. It does all the arithmetical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, students, the last topic of today's video is output devices. The devices that displays the result after processing are called output devices. For instance, monitor, printer and plotter. Monitor. Monitor displays the work done on the computer screen, and it also displays the output. Its types are CRT, LCD and LED. The next is printer. The printer prints information on a sheet of paper, and the output produced by the printer is called hard copy. Its types are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. And the last is plotter. This device is being used by civil engineers and designers to design the high vector graphics and to design the maps of the buildings, and its types are drum plotter and flatbed plotter. Students, in the next video, we'll study about computer software. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep learning.